I was thinking like an old military base.
Oh, that could be too.
At the red light, a mile and a half, we're going to turn left.
Okay.
There's a sign there, but I couldn't read it. Oh, sun.
I know, it feels good, don't it?
Yeah, sure does.
Military people there.
Huh?
Bunch of military guys getting in the Jeeps there.
It says a high National Guard.
Yeah, they were loading the Jeeps up. It's a recruiting center.
Yeah.
It says Newton Recruiting Center. I'm trying not to talk loud. I'm like barely talking.
I know, but man, I keep turning you down. It's louder and louder. My ears are sensitive, I guess, or the speakers are just super loud. You all right? Do you want to stop somewhere, stretch legs, a
I'm alright.
little snack or something? We got an hour.